Make a great choice today with the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-sized SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.